Welcome. In this video, we're going to explore how to show the most recent posts on LinkedIn using your PC, especially with the new updates that have been rolled out. If you want to stay updated with the latest content from your network, follow these simple steps. First, open LinkedIn on your preferred web browser. Make sure you are logged into your account. This is your gateway to connect with professionals and engage with the latest updates in your industry. Next, look for the Me icon located at the top right corner of the LinkedIn homepage. This icon typically features a small profile picture or your initials. Click on it to access your account settings. Once you've clicked on the Me icon, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Settings and Privacy. This section contains various options that allow you to customize your LinkedIn experience according to your preferences. After entering Settings and Privacy, navigate to Account Preferences. Here, you will find several options related to your account settings. It's crucial to adjust these settings to enhance your LinkedIn feed experience. Now, under General Preferences, look for an option labeled Preferred Feed View. This is where you can choose how you want your feed to display posts. Click on this option to proceed. You will see two choices: Most Relevant Posts and Most Recent Posts. To ensure that you see the latest updates from your connections and followed pages, select Most Recent Posts. This change will allow you to view content in chronological order, making it easier to engage with new posts as they appear. And that's it! You've successfully changed your feed settings on LinkedIn. By selecting Most Recent Posts, you'll be able to keep up with real-time updates from your network, ensuring you never miss out on important conversations or insights. Remember, staying engaged with your connections is key in building professional relationships. So go ahead and start interacting with those fresh updates. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on maximizing your LinkedIn experience.